11 o'clock. I am starting to work on some graphics for the day. I just got out of the shower. And we have to leave for Scott's doctor's appointment in like a little over an hour so that he can see his surgeon. His first time seeing him since starting PT, and he will probably get cleared to go back to work today. So big day. Not sure what I'll be able to vlog, but we will see. And yeah, so I'm going to get to work. I've got my monitors set up. I got Murder, She Wrote on, if you know you know. And yeah, getting into it. My camera on my phone I think is messed up from this screen protector not fitting right, or the glass. Anyway, Scott just got cleared for light duty, desk duty, return to work. See how it's like blurry? You're driving. Light duty return to work with boot and crutches. So we will see. Yeah, we will see what when he goes back. But how are you feeling?
Well, 2 months off.
We kind of knew this was coming. We expected it to happen today, so it's been a very fun time together. Well, I don't know about very fun for you. It's been fun for me to have Scott home.
Better than being at work.
Better than being at work. We'll take it. So I think we need to go by the eye doctor because my glasses are like a screw came out over here, so they're being held together very precariously. And then I think we're gonna eat because it's like 2:40 and we still haven't had lunch. The time has come. My very exciting package is here and we're gonna open it together. I'm so excited. This literally just came. Oop, I still need my scissors. You guys, even the tissue paper the sticker. Look at this tissue paper. Gosh. Gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Let me move this down so you can see. This is the most gorgeous. It's got like a little elastic so it would fit perfectly around the box. Packaging. Okay. Now let's I don't want to rip it. Oh my god. You guys. What? Welcome to the world of LoveShackFancy. The straw and topper? A velvet bag? Are you kidding me? Okay, I can't do this with one hand. The packaging. my God. She's gorgeous. She's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States. The straw, having the lid, the topper on it. The bag, the whole. I can't even, I still have a whole nother one to open. This is, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. It's beautiful. Never seen anything so gorgeous in my life. To drink out of? What? This should be in a museum. This is gorgeous. Scott! He's coming slowly.
Wow.
With the top, look, look, she came in a velvet bag. Look at the packaging. And even the tissue paper matches.
You know what else comes in cool packaging with a velvet bag?
I'm recording so make sure this is appropriate.
Crown Royal.
Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. We still have, I have two. I can't even, we have another one to open. This is insane. Again, stunning. It's literally like I'm unwrapping a present. It is my birthday month, so. This is my present to myself. Unreal. Unfreaking real! This is stunning. This is stunning! Oh my god. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. I'm at a loss for words. What? The package? The velvet? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, okay. I mean, worth every penny. Now I just... Oh. I kind of like the blue one better. It's like... I don't know. Gorge from afar. But up close, do we love? The print looks kind of wonky to me. Still gorgeous. There, that's kind of a better view. The pink clear lid, pink tinted clear lid. This one's lid is blue, blue tinted. Let's get a straw. She's fine. Cover photo. She's so, oh god. These are so freaking cute. They came pretty quick too. I was just waiting 30 minutes in line to buy these the other day. Unreal. I will definitely always only hand wash these. Unfreaking real. So cute. I'm upset. I'm gonna stop the video now before I just say unreal and they're so cute 1,200 times. But keeping these bags forever. I will say, if you have something that makes you so happy to buy and you love collecting, tell me what it is below. I'm so interested to know what everyone's loving collecting and what you're just like loving purchasing for yourself. And for me, it's these. I love them. I want to use them both at the same time. Ah, they're so cute. Okay. Okay, I'm done.